चैनल। आज मैं क्रिएट कर रही हूँ दिस बेसिक इंडियन मेकअप लुक बिकॉज द फेस्टिवल्स आर ऑन द गो एंड ये जिन लड़कियों के लिए है who doesn't own any eyeshadow palette or who is a beginner who is not used to creating eye looks, so this is specially for you guys and मैंने काफ़ी affordable products use की है and very minimum products. So if you want to know how I created this look, then you should keep on watching. Let's get started. So my face is super clean. I have washed it and applied some moisturizer. This is my basic skincare routine before makeup and I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is my go-to and a first primer that I've used. If you are not willing to invest on primers, then you can buy this. It's very affordable and it really works. So I'm just gonna take this amount, very generous amount, and apply it only on my pores. I'm not applying it all over the face, just the cheek area here, on the nose, and yeah, I'll just give it a slight massage and move on to my base. For the base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Again, a very affordable foundation you can definitely invest in, and it is up to a very high-end foundation and I have been using this since a long time, and this retails for rupees 500. You can also get it in a small tube which retails for 299 rupees, and this is in the shade 310. And using a sponge, I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and it gives nice coverage as well, and it's very light on the skin. And if you are not used to doing much makeup, I think this is a right foundation you can invest in. You can see the coverage, it really gives nice coverage. Yeah, that's it for the base. So then I'm gonna move on to concealer, and for the concealer I'm using the same concealer from the same range. It's Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Maybelline. Again, a very good product to invest in as it comes to concealers. So if you don't like applying a concealer or you don't own one, you can apply the same foundation under eyes and also on the eyelids. It definitely works. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and on my eyelids. And blend it with the same sponge. I'm gonna move on to setting my face, and I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and it comes with banana powder. It's in the shade caramel toffee. It's again a very good product. I think this retails for 500 rupees, but you will get it for 250 to 300 rupees on Flipkart, and it has contouring shade and a banana powder. So I'm gonna set my whole face with this using a fluffy brush. This is from Real Techniques. And yeah, don't forget to apply it on neck and also some on ear. Move on to eyebrows. I'm using the Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. This was for rupees 200 rupees. I got it from Flipkart. Flipkart has great deals on makeup products, especially on Wet n Wild products, and this also comes with this pulley, so it's a nice product. So I'm gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna outline it first and then move on to filling it. It's a dark brown shade and it's a creamy one. It's easy to do. So first I'm gonna outline it and then fill it. Can you see the difference? This has even another shade. You can check it out if you have a lighter skin shade, then you can check that out. So yeah, this is the difference. So these days I'm really liking to make my eyebrows, especially after I got this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. It's really good. For liner, I'm using the LAKME Insta liner. It's my go-to eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply eyeliner, a thick eyeliner. So this is how you can try for your eyes when you cannot do any eye looks. That I'm using the LA18 eye kajal, and I'm gonna apply to my waterline a very thick coat of eyeliner. So yeah, that's it for the eyes, and now I'm gonna contour my face using the same palette from Wet n Wild. So this step is totally optional. You can do it or just leave it. And also contour my nose. So moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is such a beautiful color. It's a rose gold highlighting color. I'll just swatch it, and it's totally pigmented. So using this kind of a brush, I don't have a fan brush, so I'm just gonna take it and highlight my cheekbone. Yeah, can you see the glow? Okay, next so using this kind of a brush, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Yeah, and also the inner corners of my eyelid. So I'm completing my look using this lipstick from Sugar. It's their new range. So I'll put the links in the description box because I'm not really sure about the range. So you can definitely check out. And this shade is a purplish pink color, a bright one. So as you're not applying any eyeshadow, I would suggest you to go for some bright color lipstick that suits your outfit. So this way you can make your look attractive. So I'm gonna apply this. It's a matte one. So this is the complete makeup, and to complete this look I have worn these silver earrings and a low bun. This is like a no comb bun I like to do, and it takes like 2 minutes. If you guys want to know how I do it, do let me know in the comment section. So I'm gonna put a bindi now, a bright purple color bindi, just to match my lipstick. So yeah, this is the complete look. I'm really loving this. and I didn't plan for this look. I just did it on the camera and it turned out really good. So do let me know if you want to see any makeup looks on my channel, because the festivals are on the way. And also give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.